This will be an interior video of the WA200. I like to show that it has about 11,000 hours on it. It's got 11,142.2 to be exact. It is joystick controlled. One thing I wanted to add is it does have variable speed control as well as gear selection here on the fly. It does have a traction control system in this particular model. One thing the customer wanted to make sure was clear is it does have ice cold AC as well. We'll go ahead and demonstrate that right now. It does come with the CB hookup. That's all in working order. Also has a rear defroster glass as well and a stereo system. Go ahead and show all this is in working order. As I can feel, this air is coming out about 65 degrees. It's about 85, 90 degrees here in Arizona right now. So, everything works well. Everything works as it should. Horn works. Blinkers work. Your gear selector works. This is a good running machine ready to go. Again, this is the WA200PT.